Hey everyone, Jason Catrone here. Oh my Carlos.
You got to bark for the technique. You want the high notes.
You forgot to take your medication.
Yeah, I
again,
did.
Didn't you?
I did. My wife, she packed it in my lunch, but I forgot my lunch.
That scared the crap out of me.
Yeah.
Let's try this again. I am Jason Catrone, a
Carlos
sophisticated
Santiago.
martini drinker.
And I am...
Jazzed on coffee, clearly.
Yeah.
We are Vocal Lab Collective.
Collective.
That was the most interesting intro I think we've ever done.
Just try to keep everyone on their toes. You know, what are they gonna do if not? They're just gonna complain about how much we talk and how boring we are.
How bad the sound is.
How bad the sound is.
Don't like your lighting. What's wrong with your hair?
Yeah, what's wrong with the reaction? You reacted to the wrong thing.
Yeah, you're all drunk. Like, we get it.
Yeah.
But hey.
They say that about me too, and I'm drinking out of this wonderful Vocal Lab Collective
They
mug.
don't know what's in it.
Yeah, it's coffee.
But listen, I will say this. Love and hate coexist.
Mm-hmm.
So those who love us, we love you back. Those who hate us, we love you back.
Yep.
And we welcome it all.
Yeah.
So tell us how ugly we are, especially Carlos.
Yes.
And then...
After you hit that subscribe button.
Hey, then you're allowed.
And
if
then
you
you watch
don't
the
subscribe,
podcast.
keep that lip shut.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you can tell us
Zip it.
anything you want and we'll like it.
Yep. Comment.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Used to
listen
those
to the
comments
podcast.
bothered me for about a few months when I first started
Yeah.
doing this. And
Some
then
of y'all can be really mean.
y'all can be real mean.
We have tough skin. We are in the music industry.
Yeah.
You have to have thick skin in order to be in the music industry.
Uh-huh.
But some of y'all people just love to hate on innocent bystanders who are bringing you free content.
Right?
Like, grow up.
Giving our lives, giving our time, giving our energy, giving our knowledge. We collectively have a few decades in music together, from performance to singing to coaching.
Yeah.
Wow, this is really good free stuff.
And if you don't like it, go find it somewhere else.
That's right.
And then come back.
Crawling
for more.
Because we're always going to be here for you.
Yep.
Even if you're not here for us. Because
Yep.
we love you. We love you. We love you. We love
do
you.
love
And
you,
guess what
actually.
else? We love reacting to videos. Hit that subscribe. We're going to now watch a video. Carlos, who we got today?
Sapna is the name of the song by Bayaan, which is a Pakistani.
Oh, all right.
Came straight from the comments, so we're listening to you. Do the honors. Nice.
I like this visual already.
I'm hooked.
This is really cool.
Cassettes.
That font's amazing. Yeah, cassettes.
I kind of miss cassettes.
Same.
Cinematographically speaking, like, I'm in heaven already. So
This is legit. I love it when the subtitles are the same.
I know. I'm trying here. Let's see if it helps us. We're trying to find subtitles, people, so don't scream at us. No, wrong. Cool. There we go. Halfway through the song, so cool. Oh!
That was sick. Oh my gosh, you want to know what I really love about this?
What?
The number one thing, not from a vocal stance actually,
Tell me.
which I love. I mean, I love all of that was great. We'll talk vocals in a second, but for me, it shows and proves that you can take something and make it so simple, yet be so impactful and so dramatic. There wasn't much to that video.
That's true.
It was a mic, him singing, a car, and really cool lighting and graphics.
Yep, that's it.
And it made it feel like I just watched a movie.
Yeah, it was excellent.
That was incredible.
Story, power of story.
Power of story.
You've talked about it in the podcast. Super important.
Yeah, watch
Go
that
check it out.
podcast.
I'm gonna keep plugging it in
Yeah.
until you guys. I'm gonna drag you guys. Every single one of you. I'm gonna
It's like-
drag you straight to the podcast.
It's like we're really upset with our
we're really not.
our friends out there today. We've been like
Yeah, I was
berating and grilling you guys, and I don't know where that came from because we love you all.
Especially because this is all these people who watch this video is going to be a new audience
I
because
know,
it's
right?
a new artist that we're
Totally.
checking out. And they're like,
They're
why
like,
are these
"What's-
guys so angry?
why are they
What did
bitter?"
I do? No, we're not
Gosh,
angry at
no.
you. We love you.
It was just a funny tangent
Super
we went
cool.
on. But no, this was fantastic. His voice was sick. That nasal resonance that he just lived in was so spot on. His little
All the little carnatic riffs.
yeah, which we would call runs here in the States or, western part of the world. But that was sick.
It's unbelievable.
That was like a Justin Bieber video and little Bieber runs. What's your thoughts?
I don't have many. You know that.
That's true. we actually don't let him have many because we keep him medicated.
Yeah.
Which clearly he forgot to
It
take his
didn't work
medication.
today. Jason usually tells me why don't you take some time and gather your thoughts? And then he's always surprised by how quickly I come back because
I
it
know.
doesn't take very long for me to gather my
That's
thoughts.
true, but that's also when I forget to lock the cage that we put you
Yep,
in.
that's
But,
true.
Yeah. We're training. Just like a puppy.
Yep.
It's like a puppy.
You need to change the cage. Change the pad in the cage.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
No, this is
Hey, this was
fantastic.
fun. Great new artist. Loved it. Hope you guys love it. Subscribe, share with your friends, listen to that podcast.
Yeah.
Keep coming back. Let us know what you want us to react to because we will. And like we did with this. But until the next time, I am Jason Catrone.
I am Carlos Santiago.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.